In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the clipboard in Microsoft Word. The clipboard is an essential tool that allows you to copy, cut, and store multiple items for pasting anywhere in your document, making it easier to work with text, images, and other objects efficiently. To start, open Microsoft Word and load the document you want to work with. On the Home tab, look to the far left to find the Clipboard group. If you want a more detailed view, click the small diagonal arrow at the bottom right of the Clipboard group. This will open the Clipboard pane on the left side of your screen, giving you a visual list of all the items currently stored on the clipboard. Once your Clipboard pane is visible, you can begin adding items. Select the text, image, or object you want to store. To copy an item, press Ctrl+C or click the Copy button in the Clipboard group. If you want to move an item instead, press Ctrl+X or click Cut. Each item you copy or cut appears in the Clipboard pane, and Microsoft Word can hold up to 24 items at a time. This makes it easy to work with multiple pieces of content without constantly switching between documents or files. To paste an item from the clipboard, position your cursor where you want it to appear. Click on the item in the Clipboard pane, and it will be inserted at your cursor's location. You can also use Ctrl+V to paste the most recently copied or cut item directly. One of the advantages of using the Clipboard pane is that you can copy multiple items in succession and then paste them in any order you prefer, giving you flexibility and saving time. If you ever need to remove items from the clipboard, click Clear All in the Clipboard pane. This will empty all stored content, allowing you to start fresh. The clipboard also works across Microsoft Office programs, so you can copy from Excel or PowerPoint and paste into Word seamlessly. You can even drag and drop items from the Clipboard pane directly into your document for faster placement. Keep in mind that the clipboard works in the background. Items remain available until you clear them or close Microsoft Word. This feature is particularly useful when creating documents with repeated content, images, or formatting elements, as it reduces the need for repetitive copying and pasting. By mastering the clipboard in Microsoft Word, you can improve your workflow, organize your content efficiently, and handle multiple items with ease. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.